Good morning student, welcome to my class. I hope you complete your homework. So let's continue our topic crop production and management. In this lesson, we will talk about agriculture implements and agriculture practice. Agriculture implements are those tools that help in agriculture. Suppose you play PUBG. Without mobile, laptop or desktop, you could not play PUBG. Like that, agriculture implements are very necessary. Without agriculture implements, the farmer could not complete cultivation and harvesting of crop. The example of agriculture implements are plough, hoe, seed drill and cultivator. Let us discuss the different agriculture implement in details. Plough. It is made of wood and drawn by a pair of bulls. In this picture you can see a pair of bulls drawn a plough. The plough made of two parts. One part made of iron and other part made of wood. The iron part is called plough share and the wooden part called plough shaft. It has two handles. One handle attached to the beam portion and other handle attached to the soil portion. Ploughing is defined as loosening and turning of soil, which is done by plough. It is used for tilling, adding fertilizer, removing seed, removing weeds, etc. Hoe. It is one of that implement that used in primitive and modern day agriculture practice. This consists of two parts. One part made of wood, that means wooden rod, and another part made of iron, that is iron blade. Iron blade is fixed with one end of wooden rod. It is pulled by human. It is used for removing weeds and for loosening soil. Now cultivator. When plough is attached to the tractor is called cultivator. It saves time and labor. So cultivator is modern day agriculture implements. Seed drill. It is one of modern day agriculture implement. It is used for sowing seeds. In a seed drill, an iron tube with a funnel is placed at the top. Seeds are then put in the funnel and then released in the soil furrow. It saves time and seeds are sown at the right depth. This is efficient method for practicing agriculture. It is also help to avoid overcrowding of seeds. Now agriculture practices. There are different practices which are used and these are follow. Preparation of soil, sowing, applying manure and fertilizer, irrigation, weeding, protection of crop, harvesting, threshing, winnowing and last storage. Let's discuss different agriculture practices. First, preparation of soil. It involves ploughing, leveling and manuring. Ploughing is defined as turning and loosening of soil with a plough. Advantage of ploughing. It helps in the penetration of root deeply. Soil gets loose by ploughing and therefore air can pass through it. It is helpful in removing unwanted plants, that means weeds. It is helpful in mixing or upturning of soil and also helpful in destroying harmful organisms. Leveling. After ploughing, certain lumps are left. Then leveling helps in breaking of big lumps of soil. It is done by leveler. Advantage of leveling. It is helpful in protection of soil from erosion. It promotes irrigation. Manuring. It is defined as mixing of soil with manure. It is helpful in increasing soil fertility. Fertility means soil has sufficient nutrients. We can also increase the soil fertility by adding fertilizer. Sowing. It is defined as process of putting seed in soil. Seeds are selected on the basis of high yielding variety. Second, seeds should be germinated in nature. That means it should not be dormant state. Seeds should be sown at right depth. There should be proper distance maintained between each seat. That means overcrowding should be avoided. Seats should be free from disease. Let's talk different method of sowing. There are different methods of sowing which are explained as follows. First, broadcasting. It is a primitive method of agriculture practice. In this method, seed is sown manually directly by scratching in soil. That means overall process done by human itself. This advantage of broadcasting method is unequal distribution of seed and therefore reduced crop yield. Seed drill. We already discussed the seed drill method. The advantage of seed drill is save time, save labor, seed is thrown at right depth. Transplantation means transfer of seed or transport of germinated seed to another field. In this method, seed are thrown in first in nursery, then the seedling is transferred to main field, for example paddy. Watch this video, it will show you all agriculture practices. Write down your homework. First, what is the traditional tool of sowing? Second, what are the advantages of ploughing? Third, what are the advantages of leveling? Fourth, write a note on agriculture practice. That's it. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead.